Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss this problem. So let's begin the observation part. If you observe one thing, this is one of the straightforward problem, okay, which is based on what wavy curve method here. So let's quickly start the simplification part. So first of all, if you observe, we have this part. So how to proceed? First of all, we will take the LCM here. After taking the LCM, okay, how we take the LCM? This 2 is just multiplied with this one, so you will get 4x plus 2, and here the 3 is multiplied with this one, so you will get this one. Okay, now can you multiply this 6 with 1? Yes, because 6 is a positive quantity, so you can multiply here. Okay, that is cross multiplication. Now afterwards, this 5 you will bring here. You will have minus 5x greater than 1 here. Okay, now next you have to divide with the minus 5. If you divide with the minus 5, here the sign of inequality will reverses, because whenever you multiply or divide with a negative quantity, it will changes the sign here. Okay, now in this problem it asks you the greatest integer, which is going to be what? Which is going to be minus 1 in this case. Why? If you observe, this minus 1 by 5 will be here, okay, and the minus 1 will be where? The minus 1 will be here, and this is minus 1 by 5. So this is the greatest integer which lie here, because minus 2, minus 3 will be smaller than the minus 1. So the correct one is going to be minus 1 here. For such videos, subscribe to this channel. Thank you.